Hi, boy, it's been a minute. I am here to share and announce my transformational workshop series, which I am going to be doing this fall. I am so excited about this. I've never really done anything like this in 10 years of coaching. I have done different workshops occasionally, but this was like a full download of doing all this series of transformations for women. So I'm going to share just a little bit about it, and then I'll post a link in the chat and you can get an idea in the comments. Just click the link and you'll get all of the details. The first workshop is on how to channel. I've actually taught over a dozen people to channel. So I don't know why I've waited this long, but I'm really excited to teach you how to connect more with your intuition and to teach you possibly how to channel something that may be even greater than your higher self. So that's going to be the first workshop. The second one is called Bring in the Joy. And Bring in the Joy is actually related to my book, 100 Ways to Be in Joy. I feel like with all the stuff going on in the world right now, we just need more help. So that's what that's for, is to help us understand how to bring more joy into our everyday lives. The third workshop is called Confident. And listen, ladies, I know many of you struggle with imposter syndrome. You struggle with being seen in the world bigger and bigger. So this is an opportunity to get more of your confidence so that you can really do these Facebook Lives and all the other things that go along with it with growing your business. The next workshop is called Wealthy Inside. And it's the idea that we are not just creating money on the outside. We are coming from a place of wealth, of deep, abundant, you can't take it away from us, wealth from the outside. So from the inside. So the workshop is called Wealthy Inside. The next one is Pendulums, and I subtitled this one Your Secret Weapon for Success. I've been working with pendulums for about 6 years, and they are great intuition tools, like amazing intuition tools. And recently, I kind of got a download that was an up level, and that was how to use pendulums to release on emotions. And I was so excited about that. So I was like, yeah, let's do that. So we're gonna have a pendulum workshop. And then the last workshop is called Dream Setting. And this was something, again, I got this huge download about all the workshops, and dream setting is deeper than goal setting. It's about creating the life of your dreams through intention. So that's the last workshop. Every one of these workshops is 2 hours each. You can get all the details and the pricing. It's got special bonuses. The workshops are really inexpensive. They're $99 a piece. That's it. And if you buy 3, you get one for free. And if you get all 6, you get a complimentary 30-minute coaching session with me. And you may be like, 30 minutes, like what are we going to accomplish in 30 minutes? But I actually have a client who has run at least 100 of her clients through my 30 minutes of coaching, and it is life-changing, like magically life-changing. So we'll be coming at this from a place of, hey, let's change your life in 30 minutes. And hey, let's change your life with all the workshops, because that's what we're here for, right? We're here to grow, we're here to expand, we're here to do incredible things. Now, I do want to mention that I got another download the last few days because I just gave an AI workshop, and because somebody said to me, like, women and AI, like a lot of women they know are afraid of AI. So if you feel like I should be doing a 7th workshop on AI, you want to put that in the comments. That would be great, because that will tell me that yes, there's interest in that as well. So get on to workshops.mywealthelevation.com. I will put the link below, and I would love to see you on one or more of the workshops. They are coming up the next 6 Wednesdays. Okay, we're skipping Thanksgiving week, but other than that, and you can get all those details on the site. So looking forward to seeing what you think. Put your comments below. Would love to have you on one or more of these incredible, life-changing, transformational workshops. I'll see you there.